Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am going to be doing the very first challenge prompt for this December, that word being sunset. I always love a beautiful sunset and sunrise, so let's get into this painting. So when I was coming up with the idea for this painting, I thought about my trip I just took recently to Arizona a month or so ago, and I thought about the day I got up super early to go see the sunrise in the Grand Canyon. And I took that idea and did my best to kind of represent at least the color scheme of what I saw that morning. A blue-orange sky that was shining on the red rocks of the canyon, and it made it almost glow like an orange. I still have to go through all the photos of that morning because I'm pretty sure I took like 1,500 photos or something. It's so beautiful out there. Now, I knew I wouldn't be able to replicate any of the photos that I took to a T, so I thought I'd go a little bit more of an impressionist style for this painting and really just get that glowing feel. So I utilized the palette knife a lot in this piece, but I did muddy up almost every brush at some point, pulling colors in and out of this piece as I saw fit. So I am still trying to get used to making these paintings on such a small canvas space. I'm not used to making them so small, but I am starting to get the hang of it at this point. But I am starting to near the end, so I will be quiet and I'll see you guys at the end for the final results. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word sunset. I think this turned out really pretty, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, make sure to check the back of your brochure. That is where you're gonna find them. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!